Okay, put quite a few of the pieces on, and a couple observations. I made some notes. I need to cut a little piece for here. For right here, I decided on the foosball table I was doing 6 to 8 inches, which brings it out to right in here. For here, I'm going to do some 4s, 4.5, 5.5, and 6, and maybe start with the smaller ones here. Get bigger, bigger, and then smaller again. So I'm going to cut some smaller ones. Other than that, I put all the screws in. I had to countersink these a little bit more, and I tried not to put it in so tight that it pulled the leg. I could feel it pull it a little bit, but not much. I may run into an issue here because these may hit, so I may need to cut the other one and change that, but we'll modify that if it happens. I think it's going to happen, but we'll deal with that later. So I need to finish off the other two legs, finish boxing them in. You can see what it's doing here. Looks like it's, yeah, it looks like my legs are a little bit longer than the other legs. But that's okay. They're all adding to the support, so it's feeling heavier already. It's actually gaining weight here fast because of that hardwood. Okay, it's going to be beautiful, especially when we put the top on and the drawers in, and it's going to look good. Okay, let's get back home to the wood shop and maybe we can get some pieces made for tomorrow.